Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel DigiSite, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. So in order to do so, firstly you have to make sure that your application is updated. So launch App Store or Google Play Store on your device and simply search for Instagram on the search bar here. Okay, here we go. Now simply tap open the application on top. Now over here, if you see the option of update like you see in my case, tap on it and make sure that your Instagram is updated to its latest version. If your app is running on its outdated version, you may not get the latest features from the app. As the Notes feature is a latest feature on the app, by not updating the app, you may not get this feature on your account. So another step that you can follow to resolve your issue is that open settings on your mobile device. Okay, here we go. Now once you come here, simply scroll down below and tap on the option of General. Then go to the option of iPhone Storage. Now over here, simply tap open the Instagram application that you see. Now simply select the option of Offload App. Now tap on the option of Offload App again. By doing this step, you will be able to clear cache from the application. Now simply tap on Reinstall App, and then you have to wait for some time until your Instagram app is reinstalled. So that's how you can fix your issue. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.